Welcome to another video. Let's see, RAM usage within CATIA, Blender and 3dsMax. This will be the case study object. We see the STL file over here. This is available for download. So let's see, with the software's idle, we're going to have 3dsMax with 2.7 gigabytes of RAM. Afterwards, we're going to have Blender with around 800 megabytes. And the list will be for CATIA v5. So let's get started. The first one will be CATIA. I will go to Digital Shape Editor and I will import the STL file. I have it prepared over here. I will click apply and let's take a look at the RAM usage. We see that it's currently around 800. It's still processing. So we have the model loaded and CATIA will be at almost 1.3 gigabyte of RAM. Okay, now let's jump within Blender and see over here. So I will import the same file within downloads, wooden box, and this will be the STL file with the model loaded. Let's see, 3dsMax will be around 2.5 with the same object. As you can see, the object will not be imported at true scale, so this is because the object was 3D scanned and Blender by default is set to meters. Now let's see, within 3dsMax I will import the same file, so go to import, and within downloads I'm gonna have the same object over here, so the wooden box. And we're gonna see that 3dsMax will use around 3.5 in this case, maybe. Let's see, the model is still being loaded, and around 3.5. So again, in this case, 3dsMax uses the most. As you can see, the model has not been aligned, so the model will be upside down. We can change that using the rotation tool within each of those, let's say, individual software. But the main important thing is that we see over here the RAM usage. So we have CATIA using the list, afterwards Blender, and in this case 3dsMax will use the most resources. So let me know in the comment section what is your opinion regarding this. Which software do you think is most optimized to work with STL files? So that's it. Thanks for watching.